Bye to his family. They had given him the drug just a little while before, but he thought it was over. His family thought he was going to die. And a number of hours later, he woke up, felt good. Then he woke up again, and he felt really good, and he's in good shape. And he's very happy for this particular drug that we got approved in record-setting time. There's never been anything even close to it.
That's the President Trump talking about the drug hydroxychloroquine. He announced that, and he's been talking about it during national news conferences about how that drug combined with an antibiotic could help COVID-19 patients, but there's not a lot of research into this drug. Since the president announced it, though, pharmacies can't keep it in stock. I'll introduce you to a Valley woman who says she needs that medication.
My life is on hold for a couple different things, I guess, now.
This is Erin Young. She's a mom of 5.
I live in Spring Valley. Me and my husband have been married for 13 years.
Lupus has also been a part of her life for a decade now.
I have been on it ever since, never stopped taking it. It is my one medication that is a constant in my life.
She, like other people living with lupus across the world, take hydroxychloroquine. One time she tried to go off of it, her liver started shutting down. Her doctor told her,
"You have to be on this. You need to take care of it." It helps control the functions inside of you from pretty much stop working.
This is that little white pill. She takes a pill and a half a day.
I have about a pill and a half left.
When it was time to get a refill,
my pharmacy says, we're out of stock. Okay, so my thought is, get more. They said, no, our warehouse is completely out of stock. I thought, well, how is that? They didn't explain anything to me. They said, we just can't order it. I'm a little panicked. So she advised me to call around.
She called and called. No one had it.
There's no win-win situation. But when the president goes off and speaks out of turn for something that is or is not workable at this point in time, I just personally feel it just wasn't in place.
She told me it's not a political issue, it's a medical one. A serious medical issue for so many people.
Everybody else was excited because he was excited. Hence the couple that grabbed their fish parasite medication and ends with the husband dead and the wife in ICU. I mean, those are lives that were affected by it because someone spoke when they didn't have complete information. I mean, that's absolutely irresponsible.
Erin's talking about a man in Arizona who died, his wife in critical condition, because they took chloroquine phosphate. They thought that was what the president was talking about. It's not the same thing. The couple's friend described what they told her.
We thought we were going to get sick, so we took something. It shows that a lot of scared people in this country are going to go to drastic measures that normally aren't their personality.
Yesterday, Nevada Governor Steve Sisolak signed an emergency declaration limiting 2 drugs in the state with unproven results treating COVID-19. One of those drugs, hydroxychloroquine.